a new cookware that I want to show you guys. So you see this cookware here. Look at the brand. Gotham Steel, heavy duty. It is said that while using this cookware, you do not need any oil, no butter, no nothing. It is actually written here. It's a non-stick ceramic skillet. Easy to clean, no oil or butter needed. Well, we're going to find out now and here. I have been eyeing this cookware ever since I saw it in the store, and finally I'm grateful that I got them. Okay, so we're going to be cooking with them today. Let's unravel and use. See, look at that. Wow. And this tiny one for eggs and other stuff. Beautiful. This one can serve for jollof rice, fried rice, chicken, and all vegetable stir fries. This can go for it. Okay, we're gonna wash it and we'll use it and find out how and why you don't need any oil nor butter to cook while using this cookware. Find out. So this is our pot. Here's our chicken. No oil, guys, no oil. Oh, so guys, no oil, guys, no oil. Okay. That's look at not all you added there. But of course, you know, chicken has fat in it, so the oil from the yes, the oil from the chicken helps. You can argue that, but if you pay attention closely, you understand that this skillet is actually doing what it says to do. But this experiment will not be complete if we do not try it with eggs. Yes, we're going to be frying eggs with this skillet, no oil or butter. Then we'll find out. Nevertheless, continue watching this video, okay? Please kindly like this video if you've not. This is just the perfect time to do so. You can share to your friends and family. Okay, thank you so much for joining. If you are joining us for the first time, please consider hitting the subscribe button. This family is a very friendly, positive family. You are going to love it here. Okay, keep on watching this video. Thank you so much for coming. I hope you learn one or two things from this video. Guys, did you see? There was no single oil. I didn't add any oil. So this cookware is actually what it says it is. Okay, I did not add any oil, and look at the way it squeezes out all the oil from the chicken. Now we're going to put this in the air fryer. That is where I'm going to finish up the cooking process of the chicken. Okay. Having some tomatoes now. So you guys can see that this cookware is actually what it said that it is. But at this point, I'm going to be adding some oil, not because I really need to, but I need some oil in the food, okay? I'm going to be adding some tomatoes, tomato sauce. Italian seasoning.
Why did you put cinnamon on? Can I get sweeter? Strawberry juice!
Can't tell us this. I'm not telling us. Thank you guys for watching. In my next video we are going to be trying this experiment. We're using just eggs. Okay, you don't want to miss it, guys. It's going to be a mind-blowing experience.